Thanks for clicking on the video. Like, subscribe, and share if you find this useful or interesting. Okay, I just wanted to let people know that I did a bug fix on the preview blends, the N-Star Control Grid N-Star 6.6, which creates the cubic N-Star surface. It was giving some really nasty faults with stretched out surfaces, and I fixed it a little bit so that, let me show it in the right spot. If we look at the final surfaces, specifically these guys, these purple guys, their grids were getting overlaps and crossing in here. You see, it's still not perfect. It's still fairly distorted in here, but it's not folding over. It's not crisscrossing, and I can make the solid right now. I can make this solid, and FreeCAD doesn't crash trying to check if the solid is valid. So it looks a lot better, but there's still a defect here. Let's see, where is it? It's right here. It's right at the tip of this stuff. Can't see it here. I can slightly see it here because it's not even. And yeah, it's still there. Okay, now I can see it a little bit better. It's right here. But it's not gonna crash FreeCAD. Okay, let's look at there's a similar one on the underside. Yeah, right in this area. It's not quite right. It creates an extra little bump. See right here, I can see a tiny little pinch, but it's a lot better than it was in the previous episodes, and it's handling the distortion a lot better. This one is also quite a bit better. So what did it do? Did it reduce the quality again? I thought I had set everything. 3. Alright, so it's still there. Here you can really see it. Here you can see the line. But that's the way it's supposed to look. That's about as good as I expect it to be. See, here you can really see. You can see the 3 lines. But that will not make FreeCAD crash. It's not going to make very good offsets. But the fact, and I had never seen it until I started doing these videos, the fact that it was possible for this to crash FreeCAD when you make it, it doesn't crash by itself. It's only when you use the curved workbench to make a full solid, then FreeCAD runs some check, and it wasn't happy. So as a reminder, this is the surface that creates 3-sided corners, 5-sided corners, 6-sided corners, and it's passable for 3. And here you can see the break line right here because this is really stretched out. You can see the break lines more easily on the 5-sided one, and you can really see it on the 6-sided one, right? You can see the crisscrossing lines. But that's what this object is. This is what it's capable of doing. And for a quick preview, as we're working on the model and modifying the overall shape, it's now it is back to doing what I expected it to do, right? Like, this looks pretty good, but yeah, you can start seeing some little flaws in here. Anyway, just wanted to give a quick notice. See you next time.